Greetings and salutations from your favorite reviewer. Today we're going to do an unboxing, and I'm so excited to bring you Shakerato Heat Friendly from Belle Tress in the gorgeous color, a new color from me, called Cream Soda Blonde. And this was purchased by moi from the clearance section at, you guessed it, Wig Studio 1. Without further ado, let's commence with the unboxing. I'm so excited to bring you this. So here we have the beautiful Shakerato Heat Friendly in Cream Soda Blonde. I hope you can see that she is an unrooted color, but quite well blended. Let's look at the cap construction on our Shakerato Heat Friendly in Cream Soda Blonde. Look at this gorgeous cap construction with a left monofilament part, a beautifully done lace front, and look at this beautiful beige color wefting and lining, and this splicing at the ear tabs. Notice how the fibers are spliced in. And the extended nape with pull adjusters. Open wefted back. So let's put on our Shakerato in Cream Soda Blonde. Upon closer inspection, we can see this gorgeous hand-tied lace front. Absolutely exquisite. And the ear coverage is adequate, and this cap does fit on the petite side, a little less roomy than other Belle Tress styles, in my opinion. Beautiful movements. Look at that. With a very fine denier on these heat-friendly fibers. Cream Soda Blonde. Another beautiful blonde color from the Belle Tress line with that dimension. Highlights and lowlights. Quite spectacular. Let me know what you think of this color in the comments. As always, thank you for joining me on this look-see at the color Cream Soda Blonde on the Shakerato Heat Friendly by Belle Tress. And don't forget the Wig Studio 1 private Facebook group, Wig Topper and Support Group. Hope to see you there. Until we meet again in the next video.